Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove picture background, create a PNG image in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show remove picture background, create a PNG image. Now going to the Chrome browser, then search bar from remove background. Now select for remove BG. Now for enter, then click for a remove background from image for free. Now for click, then click for upload from image. Now select from image. Now click for open option, then waiting for it. That it's then we show remove background. Now click for a download option. Now going to the download, then we back to the publisher document. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for a picture option. Now select from a, now find your picture, the download, remove background. Now click for, then click for insert option. That it's then you show remove background image. Create PNG image is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.